kids, good morning to all. I hope you all are staying at home and staying fit and healthy too. So what we are going to learn? Numbers. So you already know the number, right? So here we are going to learn addition. So what is addition? Addition means when we are adding one number to another number, right? One object to other object. So we are adding, right? So here we are going to learn what? Additions, right? So you already know the numbers from 1 to 100. We are going to solve an easy addition sums here. Before that, I'll just give you some examples, okay? So here, see, I have only these rings, so I'll just show you with these rings, okay? So I have 2 rings with me, right? So can you tell me the color? Yes, it's chocolate and this is yellow, right? So here I have 2 rings and one of my friend gave me 1 ring, right? So he gave me 1 ring. So how many rings I have now? 1, 2, 3, right? So here I am adding 1 ring to these 2, right? These are 2, I am adding 1 ring here, right? So there are how many rings now? There are 3 rings, right? I am adding 2 to 1 ring, right? So here these are what? Addition. I'll just give you one more example, right? So I have 2 sticks, right? So if I want 2 more stick, right? How many stick I want? 2 more. So I'll take, I have 2 sticks now. So I want 2 more sticks, right? What I will do? I'll go to market, I'll ask the shopkeeper to give me 2 more stick. I have already 2 with me. So I'll ask shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, can you give me 2 sticks? Yes. So I got 2 more sticks. So can you tell me how many sticks I have now? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? This is what? Addition, right? So we will do some exercise here, okay? So how we know when I am writing the numbers, right? So here it's 2 and 4. So how we know that we have to add these? So here is the symbol for the addition, right? So here plus, we say plus, right? So addition. This is the symbol for the addition, right? So what we have to do now? We have to add this. How to add? So 2. Can keep 2 with our finger and here the 4. So here 4. We can count easily, right? Because these are small numbers. So within the 10. So we can count with our fingers, right? So 2 in our hand, 4 in another hand. So shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So answer is what? 6, right? So this is one method that we can calculate or we are adding with our fingers. So what the next? So we have one more method which is easy for you, right? How many numbers you can see here? 2. So we can write 2 standing line here, right? You know about standing line, right? So here 2 number I have drawn. Here how many numbers? 4. So how many lines I have to draw? 4, right? So I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now I have to count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the answer, right? So this is one more method. With the finger 1, we can count with finger and putting lines, and one more that is more easy, right? You don't want this mess, right? If you write all the lines like this, it's not look neat, right? So what we can do? So 2 plus 4, right? So we can keep the bigger number in mind. Otherwise, whichever number want to keep in mind, 2. I'll keep this number 2 in my mind. So 4 in my hand, 2 in my mind. So what you have to do? You have to count after the number which you keep in your mind, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is the answer we got, right? So one more example. So here 4 plus 6, right? So 4 plus 6. So first we'll do with what? Keeping in mind. So first 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers in my finger? 6. How many number in my mind? 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer? 10, right? So this is the one more method. So by keeping in finger how? 4 and 6. I'll just keep here 4, right? So 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the answer what? 10. With the finger and keeping things in mind. So how we should write? With the line, right? So 4, here how many lines we have to draw? 4, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines I have to draw here? Which number is this? 6. So here how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here shall we count the lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the answer, right? So this is what? Addition, right? So here it's like with the numbers, okay? If I draw something like this, okay? Here is a lollipops, right? So most of you like the lollipops, right? So you should eat and gargle your mouth, right? So you should always keep your mouth clean, right? So how many lollipops are here? 6. So here today whose birthday? Maddie's birthday. So I already have 6 with me and he gave 2 lollipop on his birthday. So I'm adding this. So here how many he gave? 1, 2, he gave me 2 lollipops. So how many lollipops I have now? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have 8 lollipops, right? This is all about what? Addition, right? Which is very easy for you, right? So you can count with your fingers, you can draw lines, and otherwise you can keep calculate with your number you can keep in your mind and with your fingers too, right? will be more easier. Whichever you find easy method, you can follow, right? So this is all about today's class. What? Addition. So you should practice, right? You should assume the numbers. You can write any numbers here, whether it's 3 plus 3, right? So 8 plus 1, right? So you can add any number, right? So this is all about today's class. Keep calculating. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.